And we now shift focus to the latest coming in from Karnataka, where Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has levelled huge allegations against the BJP, saying that the BJP has been indulging in horse trading and they have offered as much as 50 crore rupees to each Congress MLA, such that they jump ship and the Karnataka government led by the Congress gets destabilized. He's saying when this was not something that was agreed upon by the Congress MLAs is when the BJP started levelling these fake allegations against him for the very reason that he is now being seen on the outside as someone who is in several scams. Let's listen into that statement.
ಈ ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕಿತ್ತಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ 50 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ MLAಗೆ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋರು. 50 ಕೋಟಿ 50 ಜನ MLAಗಳಿಗೆ 50 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈ ದುಡ್ಡು? ಏನ್ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ? ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ಅಶೋಕ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ? ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು ಈ ದುಡ್ಡು? ಲಂಚದ ಹಣ ಕೋಟಿಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ MLAಗೆ 50 ಕೋಟಿ. ನಮ್ಮ MLAಗಳು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಒಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಾರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋರು ಹೆಂಗಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಮಸಿ ಬಳದು ಅಧಿಕಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
And we get you more breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where LG Manoj Sinha has called for a high-level security meet. This meeting that has been called on the 17th of November. This is amid the back-to-back terror incidents that have been reported from across Jammu and Kashmir, where high-level operations are underway. In fact, as a part of this meeting, we also learned that it will be all SSPs, DIGs, ADGs and Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police who will be a part of this meeting. In fact, a report that will be submitted also to bring to light the loopholes as far as the security system that needs to be tightened will be addressed.